English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're really happy to have you with us today.
Today's topic is very practical.
Yes, today we're learning how to ask for directions in English,
This is something many people need when they travel.
or even in their own city.
After today, you'll feel more confident asking for help.
Let's start with a simple question,
Why do we need direction English?
because sometimes we get lost,
Or we don't know where a place is.
and asking for directions is a normal part of daily life.
People are usually happy to help. Very important tip.
Always start politely.
You can say, "Excuse me," or "Sorry."
These words get attention in a friendly way.
Repeat after me. Excuse me. Sorry.
Now let's ask the question.
You can say, "Excuse me, where is the restroom? Sorry, where is the bus stop?"
Very common and very useful.
Listeners, repeat. Excuse me, where is... Let's learn some place words.
Listen and repeat. Restroom/bathroom. Bus stop. Train station. Bank. Hospital. Restaurant.
These words are used everywhere.
Sometimes people ask, is it near or is it far?
You can answer, "It's near," "It's far."
Simple words, big help.
Okay, Daniel, let's show a simple conversation.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It's near the bank.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Quick reminder.
You don't need perfect English.
People understand you from keywords.
Bus stop? Bank?
That's enough to get help. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Is it near? Thank you.
Excellent.
Okay, Daniel, now comes the fun part.
Yes, direction words.
These words are everywhere.
And they are very easy.
Listen and repeat. Left, right, straight.
That's it. Only 3 words can help you a lot.
Now let's use them in sentences.
For example, go straight, turn left, turn right.
Very short sentences.
Very useful sentences.
You can also say, go straight and turn left. Turn right at the corner.
Here's a fun tip.
Use your hands.
When people give directions,
They often point with their hands.
even if your English is not perfect,
Your hands help a lot. Let's learn some very common phrases.
listen carefully. It's next to the bank. It's across the street. It's on the corner.
Repeat after me. Next to, across the street, on the corner. Let's show a fun conversation.
Excuse me, where's the restaurant?
Go straight, then turn right.
Is it far?
No, it's very near.
Great, thank you.
You're welcome. Let's fix some small mistakes.
Mistake number 1. Go left side.
Correct sentence, go left or turn left.
Mistake number 2. Straight go.
Correct version, go straight.
Small changes, much better English.
Repeat after me. Go straight. Turn left. Turn right.
Excellent.
Here's a very important tip.
If you don't understand,
It's okay to ask again.
you can say, sorry, can you repeat? Sorry, slowly, please.
Very polite, very useful. Before we finish today, let's talk honestly.
Everyone gets lost sometimes.
Native speakers, travelers, everyone.
So asking for directions is not a weakness.
It's a life skill.
You don't need long sentences.
You don't need perfect grammar.
Simple words work.
Excuse me. Where is the bus stop? Thank you.
That's real English.
Now let's listen to a full conversation, slowly and clearly.
Listen first. You can repeat later.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, it's near.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Clear, calm, confident.
Now let's listen again a little faster.
Don't worry if you miss a word. Excuse me, where's the bank?
Go straight, turn left.
Is it far?
No, it's close.
Thanks.
That's how people really speak.
Here's your challenge for today.
Ask for directions in English, even at home.
Pretend you are on the street.
Say the sentences out loud.
Your voice builds confidence. If you feel nervous,
That's okay.
confidence does not come from watching.
It comes from speaking.
One sentence today is progress. If you are watching this video,
It means you want to handle real-life situations in English.
you are learning,
You are improving.
and we are very proud of you.
Now go to the comments.
Write one direction sentence.
For example, go straight and turn right.
And if this lesson helped you,
Subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
we post new English conversations every day.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.